Hello, everyone. Welcome to our presentation on the fundamentals of computers. Today, we will explore some essential concepts that will help you understand how computers work. The focus will be on two main parts, hardware and software. These basics are very important in our digital world, as computers are used everywhere, from schools to homes and beyond. My goal is to give you a strong foundation so you can better understand and navigate the world of computing. Let's get started. Let's start by looking at the different devices we use daily, such as desktops, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Each of these devices is designed for specific tasks, whether it's work, communication, or entertainment. Understanding these helps us see how computers are tailored to meet various needs. Now moving on to the main components of a computer. At its core, a computer includes key parts like the CPU, which is the brain that processes information, memory, which temporarily stores data, storage devices, where information is saved long-term, and input-output devices, such as keyboards, mice, and monitors, that allow us to interact with the machine. So, what exactly is a computer? Simply put, a computer is an electronic device that processes data and performs tasks based on instructions or programs. It's an electronic tool that can handle complex calculations, manage data, and run applications efficiently. The purpose of a computer is truly versatile. It's essential in many fields, from education, where it supports learning, business, where it facilitates operations, to entertainment, providing games, movies, and more. Computers process data, execute instructions, and help us perform tasks quickly and accurately, making them indispensable in modern life. Overall, understanding what a computer is and how it works sets the foundation for appreciating its importance and the role it plays in our daily routines. Now, let's talk about the types of software. Essentially, software can be divided into two main categories. First, we have system software, which is responsible for managing the hardware components of a computer. This includes things like the operating system that helps the hardware work together smoothly. Then, there's application software, which is designed for user tasks such as creating documents, editing photos, or browsing the internet. These are the programs we interact with directly to accomplish specific tasks. Understanding this division is key because it highlights how software supports both the hardware and our everyday activities. Together, these types of software form the backbone of how computers function and how we use them effectively. Connecting this to the overall theme, it's clear that both hardware and software are essential, each playing a distinct but interdependent role in making technology work for us. Let's talk about how input and output devices work together to create a seamless user experience. When we say devices work together, we mean they communicate smoothly to make using a computer more intuitive and efficient. For example, input devices like keyboards and mice let us send data into the computer, while output devices, such as monitors and speakers, process data back to us in a way that we can understand easily. The key idea here is that output devices are responsible for presenting information in a clear and comprehensible form, whether it's displaying a document, playing sound, or showing images. On the other hand, input devices are hardware components that allow us to enter data into the computer, like typing, clicking, or even using touchscreens. Sometimes, we think of input and output devices separately, but in reality, many devices are combined as input and output devices. This integration makes our interaction with computers much more natural and fluid. Overall, these devices are essential for a smooth exchange of information between us and the machine, helping us accomplish tasks more effectively and with a better user experience. Computers play a central role in the entertainment industry, and this is really evident in how they facilitate gaming, streaming, and content creation. Whether it's gamers sharing their gameplay live or creators producing videos and music, computers are at the heart of it all. They enable us to enjoy entertainment in more interactive and immersive ways than ever before. Moving on to the business world, computers significantly boost productivity and efficiency. They support a wide range of applications, from managing data to automating tasks, making day-to-day operations smoother and more effective. This connection highlights how integral computers have become in driving success across industries. And of course, in education, computers serve as powerful tools. They provide access to vast resources, from online libraries to interactive learning platforms. This accessibility opens up new opportunities for students and educators alike, making learning more engaging and personalized. All these points tie back to our overall theme: how computers are transforming various aspects of our lives, making them more connected, efficient, and innovative. Let's talk about protecting ourselves against digital threats, which is a crucial part of online safety. As we become more connected, it's important to understand how to stay secure. The internet facilitates global communication and access, making it easier than ever to connect with others, share information, and access resources. Now, at the core of all this connectivity is computer networking. Think of it as connecting computers together so they can share resources efficiently. This networking is what allows us to access the internet and communicate across vast distances. When we look at the internet's role, it's clear that it's more than just a network. It's a tool that links the world. As we rely more on these connections, understanding how to protect ourselves from threats like hackers, malware, and phishing becomes essential. So, in essence, connecting computers through networks enables incredible opportunities, but it also requires us to stay vigilant and prioritize online safety. That way, we can enjoy all the benefits of the internet while minimizing risks. When it comes to backing up your data, using external drives, USB flash drives, or cloud solutions are all excellent options. Each has its advantages. External drives and USBs are great for quick physical backups, while cloud solutions offer the convenience of remote access and automatic backups. The key is to choose a backup method that fits your needs and ensures your data is safe in case of unexpected issues. Remember, regular backups are crucial in protecting your information from hardware failures, theft, or accidental deletion. Connecting this to our overall theme, having a reliable backup strategy is the backbone of effective computer maintenance and troubleshooting. It helps prevent data loss during software crashes or connectivity problems, making your digital life more secure and less stressful. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the key issues we face with technology today, such as data privacy and the impact of automation on jobs. These are critical topics because as computers become more integrated into our lives, we need to think carefully about how personal information is protected and how automation might change the job landscape. Moving on, ethical considerations are more important than ever. Computers will influence how we work, how we communicate, and even how we entertain ourselves. It's essential that we approach these developments responsibly, ensuring that technology benefits everyone without causing harm. Next, the role of computers in society is expanding rapidly. They're not just tools, they shape our daily lives and societal norms. Understanding these emerging trends, like artificial intelligence and cloud computing, helps us stay ahead and make informed decisions about the future. Finally, looking at the broader picture, these technology trends are shaping what we call the future of computing. By staying aware of these shifts, we can better prepare for the opportunities and challenges ahead. This awareness ties everything together, emphasizing the importance of responsible innovation as we move forward. As we come to the end of our presentation, I want to emphasize that as students progress, it's really important to keep exploring computer technology and stay updated on its latest advancements. This ongoing learning helps us stay relevant and adaptable in a rapidly changing digital world. Remember, computer literacy is a critical skill for the 21st century because it empowers us to navigate and succeed in our increasingly digital lives. Today, we've covered the fundamentals of computers, including what they are, their main components, and how they're applied in various fields like education, healthcare, and business. By understanding these basics, you build a strong foundation for more advanced concepts and practical skills. In summary, grasping the core concepts of computers and their applications is essential. This knowledge not only enhances your technical skills, but also opens up many opportunities in the digital age. So, I encourage you all to continue learning about technology, stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring.